Hey, Bob Garon here of Synergy Kettlebell Boot Camp. We are at the park about to start boot camp and having a dust storm. Not the kindest of weather today, but we are rain or shine, dust storm, sleet, snow. Actually, it doesn't snow here in Arizona at this part, but we are still going to hit it up, train the kettlebells hard, blast fat. That's what we're about. So check out what we did today. It's fun. All the way down. Ideally, you want to touch the ground with your palm. Good job, Kurt. Whole time, even in the rest. Don't just stand there. You just don't need to do any other specific stuff. What are you crying about, April? Huh? 5 seconds. Get your number. Great. Come on. Bicep right by that ear, Terry. Good. Good. 5 seconds. Get your number. Go. Good. Bicep to the ear. Fast legs. Let's do it. Last set, last side. Up, down, up, down. Come on. Make it faster.